HR operations refers to the day-to-day activities and tasks carried out by the Human Resources (HR) department in a company. This includes a variety of responsibilities like hiring new employees, managing payroll, handling employee relations, ensuring that the company follows labor laws, organizing training programs, managing benefits like health insurance, and dealing with employee records and data. Essentially, HR operations make sure that everything related to a company's workforce runs smoothly. What are HR operations goals? Efficiency and accuracy. To optimize HR processes, reduce manual tasks, and minimize errors in HR operations. Compliance. To ensure compliance with labor laws, regulations, and company policies so that there's less legal risk. Good employee relations. To create positive relationships that support an organization's people, helping them to perform at their best. Scalability. To enable an organization's people to grow along with the company so the workforce can continue to meet the business's changing needs. What are HR operations responsibilities? Onboarding and offboarding. Managing the entire employee lifecycle from hiring to exit processes, payroll and benefits administration, handling compensation and benefits for professionals, ensuring accurate and timely payroll processing, data management, maintaining records and data accuracy, as well as protecting sensitive information, compliance and legal, making sure HR processes comply with labor laws, regulations, and company policies. Workforce planning. Assisting with an organization's overall HR strategy, including workforce planning, succession, and recruitment. Training and development. Managing training programs, tracking people's progress, identifying areas for improvement, and creating opportunities for career progression. Conflict resolution, handling disputes among professionals. Health and safety. Supporting people's well-being with a safe and healthy work environment by establishing safety policies and reporting processes, as well as conducting training. HR tech management. Implementing and overseeing software tools such as Human Resource Information Systems, HRIS, performance management software, and applicant tracking tools. What is the role of an HR operations manager? The HR operations manager oversees the day-to-day running of all HR operations, while the HR operations director focuses on the overall strategy. They collaborate with other HR leaders to make sure all processes align to further the company's goals. They supervise HR staff and HR operations specialists, ensuring that work is completed. The HR operations manager also provides people with any support they may need. They extend this support to people across the organization, addressing complex HR issues and offering guidance. The HR operations manager identifies opportunities to implement HR best practices, boosting efficiency and reducing operational costs. They analyze the available HR data to make decisions on resource allocation and workforce planning, and implement HR technology solutions to increase automation. It's also the HR operations manager's responsibility to stay up to date on relevant laws and regulations to ensure compliance.